Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to put on lower eyelashes. First, ensure your natural lower lashes are completely clean and dry for optimal adhesion. Gather your essential tools: a pair of lower false eyelashes, a reliable lash adhesive, and a pair of fine-tipped tweezers. Selecting the right style of lower lashes is crucial. Choose ones that naturally enhance your eye shape and achieve your desired aesthetic, whether subtle or dramatic. This preparation sets the foundation for a flawless application. Now, let's move to application. Carefully apply a very thin, even layer of lash adhesive directly onto the band of the lower false eyelash. It's important not to use too much, as this can lead to a messy application. Allow the adhesive to become tacky for about 30 to 45 seconds. This waiting period is key for a strong, immediate bond. Then, using your tweezers, carefully place the lash strip along your lower lash line, beginning from the outer corner and working inwards. Once the lash is in place, gently press it down with your tweezers or the pads of your fingertips to secure it firmly against your skin. Pay particular attention to the inner corner, ensuring it's well attached to prevent lifting throughout the day. To achieve a seamless and natural look, lightly blend your natural lower lashes with the false ones. A small amount of mascara can help marry them together, creating a cohesive and beautiful finish that looks effortlessly yours. For a truly polished appearance, you can use a tiny amount of liquid or gel eyeliner to carefully conceal any visible lash band, making the application appear even more natural. Remember to avoid excessive rubbing or pulling on your lower lashes, as this can dislodge them or damage your natural ones. Patience and practice are your best friends. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. With a little time, you'll master this technique beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.